Good evening. Tonight, we delve into a game-changing smartphone for photography enthusiasts. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This device has transformed the concept of a smartphone, with a camera into a true camera phone, providing an incredible mobile photography experience that rivals dedicated cameras. As a longtime Leica user, I found myself leaving my camera at home more and more, opting for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Here's why. When it comes to smartphones today, the conversation about photography often revolves around the giants, Apple and Samsung. But in recent years, Xiaomi has emerged as a serious contender, with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra leading the charge as one of the top smartphones in the camera space. What makes this device stand out isn't just its hardware, but the way Xiaomi has optimized it, combining top-tier camera components with powerful software and AI features. Let's start with what sets the Xiaomi 15 Ultra apart from its competitors: the photography kit. Unlike typical smartphones that are just good enough for casual photography, this kit turns the Xiaomi 15 Ultra into a near-professional camera. It includes a grip with a shutter button, a 2000 mAh external battery, a filter holder, and a neck strap. This transforms the experience of using the phone for photography. The addition of the grip with a two-stage shutter button, similar to what you would find on a dedicated camera, provides the user with better control and a much more comfortable experience. It's a simple but significant detail that makes a world of difference. But let's talk about the camera hardware itself. Xiaomi 15 Ultra features an impressive 1-inch Sony LYT900 sensor, coupled with a 200 megapixels periscope lens with 4.3x optical zoom, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide AF camera, and a 3x telephoto lens. This powerful setup ensures you get crisp, sharp images no matter the conditions. The results speak for themselves. Xiaomi 15 Ultra brings a level of photographic capability that competes with the best on the market today. Thanks to the collaboration with Leica, Xiaomi's camera system brings a significant upgrade to the experience. With two distinct Leica color modes, authentic, natural, and vibrant, vivid users can choose the style of their photos, whether they want a more cinematic feel or a more saturated, eye-catching look. For me, I personally prefer the authentic mode because it allows me to apply my own color grading in post-processing if needed. In bright conditions, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra performs exceptionally well, especially in capturing fine details, whether it's the leaves on a tree, the intricate facade of a building, or the texture of skin. The HDR performance is stellar, preserving detail in both the highlights and shadows. The camera's ability to capture a wide dynamic range is impressive, and provides professional quality shots without the need for expensive gear. But it's in low-light conditions where the Xiaomi 15 Ultra really shines. I recently used it during a live performance. In less than ideal lighting conditions, the large sensor, combined with Xiaomi's noise reduction technology, produced remarkably sharp images with very little grain, even capturing fine details like brush strokes on the face of a performer. The optical image stabilization (OIS) on both the main and telephoto lenses allowed me to shoot comfortably, without worrying about blurring, even while moving around quickly. Xiaomi 15 Ultra's face and eye detection are also incredibly fast and accurate. Even in low light, the phone could quickly detect the subject's eyes, ensuring sharp focus without any noticeable delay. For me, this makes the phone feel almost like a dedicated camera, effortlessly capturing moments as they happen. No shutter lag, no missed shots. The fast autofocus and real-time processing ensure that I can focus entirely on capturing the moment, rather than adjusting settings. When using the telephoto lenses 3x telephoto and 4.3x periscope telephoto, I found the zoom functionality perfect for both portraits and long-distance shots. The images were crisp, detailed, and full of clarity, providing a new way to experiment with perspective and contrast. The 200 megapixels periscope lens is especially great for zooming in on distant subjects, while maintaining image quality. What really stood out to me was comparing the Xiaomi 15 Ultra to my Leica SL2 camera with a 50mm lens. While the Leica captured great details in RAW format, I had to process the images in post-production to fine-tune the colors and contrast. With the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the photos came out already vibrant and punchy, without the need for heavy editing. The flexibility and ease of use make the Xiaomi 15 Ultra far more versatile for everyday photography. When using portrait mode, both telephoto lenses produced a beautiful bokeh effect. Even in complex scenes, the ability to switch between focal lengths 35mm, 50mm, 75mm, 100mm offered a range of creative possibilities for capturing unique portraits. The quick autofocus, face recognition, and eye detection helped me move from subject to subject with ease, creating dynamic, emotional portraits without the need to manually adjust settings. For those who want an even more professional experience, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a Pro mode that lets you manually control ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. Additionally, the camera's intuitive interface makes these controls accessible without overwhelming the user. The addition of AI-powered features like the AI Eraser Pro to remove unwanted objects or people from the background adds to the overall user experience, making this phone an all-in-one tool for creative photography. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has completely transformed my approach to mobile photography. What was once just a device for capturing memories has now become a true camera phone, a piece of gear that's ready to take on the demands of serious photographers. With its impressive hardware, AI enhancements, and the added convenience of the Photography Kit Legend Edition, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has earned its place as one of the top contenders for those seeking a device that's more than just a phone but a complete photography tool for anyone looking for a versatile, high-quality camera on the go. This phone is definitely worth considering.